aspects of the project, like innovative problem-solving and long-term planning, rather than getting bogged down in routine calculations. But it's not just about design. The impact of AI extends far beyond the drawing board. AI is also transforming how we maintain and operate infrastructure, making our roads, bridges, and buildings safer and more reliable than ever before. Imagine sensors on bridges that constantly monitor for signs of stress or wear and tear, collecting data every second of the day, even in the harshest weather conditions. AI algorithms can analyze this data in real time, predicting potential problems before they become disasters. This proactive approach means engineers can address issues early, preventing costly repairs and keeping people safe. Talk about smart engineering. It's no secret that companies are always looking for ways to improve efficiency and reduce costs. And guess what? AI is a game changer in that department. By automating tasks, improving accuracy, and reducing errors, AI allows companies to do more with less. For example, in manufacturing, AI-powered robots can work tirelessly alongside human workers, performing repetitive tasks with incredible precision. This not only speeds up production, but also reduces the risk of human error, leading to higher quality products. It's a win-win situation for businesses and consumers alike. So, does this mean robots are taking over all the engineering jobs? Not so fast. The rise of artificial intelligence is definitely transforming the engineering landscape, but it's not about replacing humans. It's about working alongside technology in smarter, more innovative ways. While it's true that AI is changing the nature of work, it's also opening up entirely new fields and specialties that didn't exist just a few years ago. It's also creating new opportunities for skilled professionals who are ready to adapt and grow. The key is to adapt and embrace the skills that will be in high demand in the age of AI. This means being proactive about learning and staying curious about emerging technologies. First and foremost, engineers need to become fluent in the language of data. Data literacy is now as essential as traditional engineering skills. Understanding how to collect, analyze, and interpret data is crucial for working with AI systems. Engineers must be comfortable using data to make decisions, optimize processes, and solve complex problems. Additionally, skills like critical thinking, problem-solving, and adaptability are more important than ever. The ability to approach challenges creatively and think outside the box will set engineers apart. Creativity will be a driving force behind innovation, helping engineers design solutions that AI alone cannot imagine. After all, it's humans who will be designing, implementing, and overseeing these intelligent systems, ensuring they are safe, ethical, and effective. The future of engineering is a collaborative one, where human ingenuity and AI capabilities combine to solve the world's toughest challenges. In this new era, humans and AI will work together to achieve incredible things, pushing the boundaries of what's possible. By embracing lifelong learning and developing the right skills, engineers can stay ahead of the curve and thrive in a rapidly changing world. With the right mindset and a commitment to growth, engineers can ensure they remain at the forefront of this exciting new era, shaping the future alongside AI.